¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? What's up, guys? It's your boy. Y'all already know we about to work on this vehicle right here. Got it from another tech. Since I am a rebuild specialist have to pull it and rebuild it, put it back in. All right, so we gonna do that on this one right here. I don't know why they have these wires here.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain. Turning losses into gains, I'm making change.
So much so that I haven't even gone to the back.
Risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that shit fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.
Oh shit! Oh man, I owe this customer help.
Rising, you don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always,
you know guys, I was thinking about doing a challenge for myself where I would try to pull out a transmission only using electric tools, but this one I actually have to use a stubby to get to some of the transmission bolts up here, and because of that a big old electric impact will not be suitable. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about when I get there.
ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution.
Alright, so here we have this big bad boy. Grab the extension. I want to try it. Try the 16 back here. This thing is so bulky. Okay. That was a 60 scored about an 18 though. Ah! Shit bounced off. Now this is the one I'm really worried about. Woo. Nope. The angle of it just really does not let it. Down low. Oh, I wasn't even in reverse. This guy. Took it off with ease. I didn't realize I was tightening it. Oops, my bad. There we go. And that is why I say, no, not being bumpy. That is why I say air is superior over electric. That one has 600 foot-pounds. This one has, actually they're both 600 foot-pounds. But electric at full cranking just feels weaker. The way it hammers, it just vibrates. This one actually does a rotating hammering. This one has like a springing fucking cup that bounces. And And this one, I need to get down in here because the battery's not going to let me the length of it. See how easy that was? God. And plus, pneumatic has more blows per minute, more revs. I mean, why not? If you got air, use it. They're lighter too than electric. I am definitely taking my time on this. Should have been cradle should have been top part of it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart.
So I don't know if y'all saw that, but the electric was just right. As soon as I put that air on there, just zapped off. That's why I choose air when it comes to anything that holds torque. Now 10s and 12s and some 14s, fine. I use electric. That's why I got that stubby electric 16 volt. But the 20 volt just bounces around way too much.
Gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough. 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll
soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game,
And that is a CVT transmission removal made easy by your boy Flo. Although I did get some of those tricks from somebody down there. I'm stealing them. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
find a door, open it up, and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you